Hello, my name is Ryan Kessel, new home specialist, and today we're going to be touring the Abaco by DRB Homes. This is an interior unit, so it's got this courtyard feel. This floor plan offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,749 square feet, and I love the color scheme that they've done here. They have the white cabinets, and I love this choice of counter design. And as you can see, this is a great open concept, so you have your living space over here, nice large dining space over here. As you can see, the size of this table, and just imagine hosting a dinner party while enjoying the lagoon vibe. And you have this nice large wide covered lanai that's all screened in, so you don't have to worry about the bugs. You have a little outdoor entertaining space overlooking the Epperson Lagoon. I love all the design features that the interior designers from this builder picked out, from this piece to the dining room table. Now imagine customizing your home just like this. Now I love these barn doors. You have a storage closet off to the side here, and check out this large pantry. Now let's head upstairs. And I love these accent walls that they've done here. As we come up the second landing of stairs, off to the right, you have a huge owner suite. This is a split plan, so the owner suite sits by itself in the back of the home. It has its own private balcony. Check out this $1 million view. Let's check out the ensuite bathroom. Dual sinks, a huge glass enclosed shower. I love the tile design that they did here. And this is a huge walk-in closet. This one's got some nice built-ins, plenty of storage space for all your stuff. Upstairs, laundry area, they actually did stackables with this cabinetry. And coming around the corner, you have the secondary bedroom, nice accent wall, nice lighting. These are things that you could choose and customize yourself. This is the secondary bathroom here. They did tile all the way up to the wall. And now we're walking into the third bedroom. As you can see, the size of this, you actually have enough space for 2 beds. What I like about this builder is their windows, so you got a lot of natural light coming in. And this bedroom has a nice walk-in closet. Let's go check out the backyard. Do you want your backyard to look like this and the backup to that? Give me a call today, 813-587-2424. I could help you live the lagoon lifestyle.